Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 7th of August and today we have to see all the important questions, so be attentive and be focused till the end. And to get PDF of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing username The Students Point. So let's begin. But if you are finding this video useful, don't forget to like the video, and if you want to contribute to the growth of the channel, then do share the video with as many friends of yours on different social media platforms. So let's begin. But first we will see a question. Everyone has to try to answer this question in the comment section. The question is, what is the required level of vitamin D in human body? These are the options. Read the options carefully, then answer it. Let's begin now. The first question. Indian Railways project to use new track construction machine will be implemented by, so it is being implemented by Dedicated Freight Corridor Corporation of India Limited. So here B is the right answer. And recently, in a boost to railways effort to use technology to ease infrastructure work, for the first time in India, railway is using new track construction machine for entire track laying the dedicated freight corridors. The project will be implemented by DFCCIL, and there are at present 7 NTC machines that have been deployed along the dedicated freight corridor alignments. 4 NTC machines are deployed in Eastern DFC and 3 machines are deployed in Western DFC. While in Eastern DFC it is deployed in New Bhaupur in Allahabad, and in Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction at Allahabad again, and in Bhaupur, Bhadan and Khurja Dadri section. While in Western DFC it has been deployed at Palanpur, Makarpura, and in Gothenburg, Baroda, and in Anchali Sachin section. And the Khurja Dadri section is the connecting link between eastern and western dedicated freight corridors, on which freight trains will run at a speed of 100 km per hour, ensuring fast logistics movement. The project will be completed by the year of 2022. So every targets and the year for which it has been set is very important from examination point of view. Next question now. Which is the second state to come up with the latest manual for police in recent times? So it is Gujarat. After Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat became the second state to come up with the manual for police. And some of the new points which are included in this manual are tools to detect cyber crimes, forensic science, social media monitoring tools, multi-level marketing frauds, fake currency, human trafficking, and organized crime. This new manual will be uploaded on Pocket Cop mobile applications in a form of ebook so that it can be accessible throughout the police department. And those who are unaware of it, we organize test series every month on 15th and afterwards, and in that test we try to cover all the important topics which are news, which are related to subjects of polity, economy, international news, science and technology, environment, history and culture, and the small topics are covered in miscellaneous. And the topics which we covered are very important from your examination point of view. We try to cover the topics in very comprehensive manner. So in test, we not only cover the questions of current affairs, but also the applied questions. Applied questions here means to say that the questions related to static portions. In examinations, when you are unaware of the applied questions, we most often think that the questions has been asked from general studies randomly. But it is most often not random. It must have been related somewhere to current affairs. And they try to apply it in general studies, that how they try to link it with general studies portions. So we try to train you in such a manner so that in examinations you may feel easy in solving such questions, either it is for general studies or for current affairs portions. And there are 3 plans which you can subscribe to. The plan is for 1 month, which costs ₹79. The second plan is for 3 months, which costs ₹219. The third one is for 6 months, which costs ₹420. So you can subscribe to either of the plan based on your own convenience. And many of you have already enrolled yourself into this monthly current affairs test series and must have realized the importance by taking the test for first month that was organized in the month of July. And many of you have already enrolled for the month of August as well. So a few days are left to enroll yourself in the month of August. So those who wish to enroll yourself, do it, hurry. And after enrolling yourself, don't forget to send your confirmation at this email ID, that is pointstudent2020@gmail.com. Thereon you will receive the links wherein you have to join the group and you will take the test on website. All the questions will be uploaded on the website at once. You will take the test there. A timer will be set there. You will get approximately 1 hour of time in which you have to solve around 60 to 70 questions, and that test will compare your performance with the performance of other aspirants as well. So it will give you a real time experience just like in examination hall. So it will help you to train your mind to work under pressure like conditions like in examination hall, because in examination we tend to commit mistakes even in areas where we have studied a lot, all because of pressure conditions. So once you will train your mind to work in such conditions, you will minimize such mistakes to ensure your selections in very early attempts. And you can subscribe to the test series by pressing on the link which I will provide in the comment section as well as in the description box. Next question now. Sasidhar Jagdishan has been appointed as new managing director and chief executive officer of, so he has been appointed as CEO and MD of HDFC Bank. So here B is the right answer, and he is Sasidhar Jagdishan. Jagdishan appointment has been approved by RBI. He would take the charge on October 27th, and he will succeed the present or retiring MD and CEO Aditya Puri. HDFC Bank is India's largest private sector bank. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Vyapar Mala Express train. This question is very important. Pay your attention here. Vyapar Mala Express train. Northern Railway recently ran its first ever Vyapar Mala Express train. This statement is correct. So it has been ran for the first time by Northern Railway, and the train departed from Delhi Kishanganj for Jirania in Tripura, and it will cover a distance of 2673 km from Punjab to Tripura. This statement is also correct. So it has begun or departed from Delhi Kishanganj, and it will cover this much distance from Punjab to Tripura, and this is an express service where piecemeal stock will reach its destination in a shorter time. So here this is also correct. So all of these statements are correct. D is the right answer, and it will help a small traders in moving their cargo through railways in a very short time, cost effective, convenient and environment friendly mode of transportation. Next question now. Parivar Pehchan Patra has been launched by, so it has been launched by Haryana government. So here A is the right answer. It aims to monitor each of the approximately 54 lakh families in the state, and under this each family will be considered a single unit. Please note here that each family will be considered a single unit and will be allotted an 8-digit unique identification number. And please note that this Parivar Pehchan Patra will be different from Aadhaar card, as Aadhaar card is individual centric, while this Parivar Pehchan Patra will be centric to the family. So a family to get social security benefits from the state government will have to enroll into this Parivar Pehchan Patra, and after that they will get an 8-digit unique identification number. And since Haryana government, most of the scheme of Haryana government is family centric, that is why Haryana government has launched it. And it has also been made mandatory for government employees to go for this PPP. If they fail to do so, their salaries may be withheld. Next question now. Consider the following statements about ammonium nitrate. It is a nitrogen rich white crystalline chemical which is soluble in water. This is correct. Its chemical formula is NS4NO3. This is also correct. It is used in agriculture, fertilizers, anesthetic gases and commercial explosives. This is also correct. And please note that it is soluble in water. So since here all of these statements are correct, D is the right answer. And please note that pure ammonium nitrate is not an explosive on its own. For working as an explosive, it has to be added with some detonator like RDX or TNT. And it was in news because a massive explosion took place in Beirut, which is the capital city of Lebanon. And in this blast, ammonium nitrate was used. And this is the precise location where the blast took place in Beirut, which is the capital city of Lebanon, bordering to Mediterranean Sea in the west. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Pokalli variety of rice. It is a saltwater resistant variety. This is correct. It grows in coastal Alappuzha, Ernakulam, Thrissur district of Kerala between June to November. This is also correct, and it has been granted geographical indication tag. So here all of these statements are correct. D is the right answer. It was in news because farmers in West Bengal are experimenting with Pokalli variety of rice to tide over a crisis-like situation created by severe sea water incursion into the paddy fields in the Sundarbans because of the cyclones. And Vietilla 11 varieties of Pokalli seedlings were brought from Kerala to West Bengal. Next question now. Infosys Finacle will digitally transform the transaction banking business of National Bank of. So it has been chosen to transform transaction banking business of National Bank of Bahrain. So here B is the right answer. And National Bank of Bahrain and Infosys Finacle, which is part of ACE Verve system and a wholly owned subsidiary of Infosys, has announced that the bank has decided to adopt Finacle cash management suite to digitally transform its transaction banking business. And this partnership is part of NBB's digital transformation with the upgrades provided by the suite to equip bank with a modern system that will provide simple and seamless service to its client. And if you have not liked the video yet, do like it and do share the video with your friends and loved ones. Next question now. Tanner Whitehouse 3, or in short TW3, is famous technique of. So it is a famous technique of ACE verification. So here B is the right answer. And it is being used by BCCI and proposed to be used by AITA as well. It involves an X-ray of the left wrist to check what stage of bone fusion of a child has reached. However, this test is effective only for boys below the age of 17 and girls below the age of 15, because boys below the age of 17 and girls below the age of 15 are not matured, and their bone fusion can be easily tracked, and it can tell the approximate age of boys and girls below the age of 17 and 15 respectively. But after the age of 17 and 15 for girls and boys, since they reach to maturity age, it is difficult for this system to tell their approximate age. However, this system is not even 100% accurate for even boys who are below the age of 17 and girls who are below the age of 15. Why? Because it is solely dependent on bone fusion and pubertal growth, and since people do not start to develop at the same time and at the same rate, child grows differently with different rate. So therefore the X-rays of the system will show different bone fusions rate despite them being same age. So two childs of same age may have different level of bone fusions because of different rate and different level of nutrition, different level of genes, genetic differences. So there are chances that this system may give wrong results as well. So do like and do share the video, subscribe and press the bell icon. Wait for the upcoming video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.